Two Tip Tuesday.
Picture this. You're at your desk on the phone with a client. You need to make a note and fast, but of course Murphy's Law kicks in. Your pen doesn't work or your paper is missing. What do? Well, if you're a Windows user, you follow these steps. Go to your Start menu, All Apps, scroll down to the S section, look for Sticky Notes. Click here. This will open up a sticky note on your desktop along with the Enable Insights. This allows you to connect with Bing and Cortana, but we're not going to, not now. This is the sticky note. You can move it around your desktop, here or here, anywhere you like. Just click your cursor in here, type out the message you need to make, and boom, it's done. Want to make another note? Click here, Add Note. And you have another note. You can even customize the colors of them. Look at that! Pink, purple, blue. Any color you like. What if you want to get rid of it? Click on the little trash can and delete. There you go. Quick, easy, and simple. And best of all, free. That's it for this tip. If you found this helpful, click the like button to let me know. That way I can customize the tips that I'm sending out to you. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that you're first in the know to know when videos and live streams are uploaded. Thank you for watching.